please subscribe my channel and like, share, and please listen in my channel have oxygen concentrator video, and please listen in this pandemic period. You listen and please give comment. Let's go to our topic. Animals. Types of animals. Today our topic is types of animals. Do not have backbone. Do not have backbone animals. See friends, insects, worms. Insects like anything. Worms, clams, crabs, octopus, snails, starfish. These all don't have backbone. These don't have backbone, and please listen, I will tell. Okay friends, animals. Insects from biggest species from invertebrates with over a million of different species, like millions of different species in invertebrates. See friends, 6 legs insects divided by 3 parts. 3 parts. What are that? See friends, head, thorax, abdomen. Yes, these 3 are main in 6 legs insects. 6 legs insects divided 3 body parts. Okay? Okay friends. Backbone animals. Backbone animals. Those have backbone animals. See, there are many animals, they have backbone or called vertebrates. Like elephant, lion, like anything have backbones. Yes? There are bodies covered by scales. They are generally used for survival, like hunt, like anything. Mechanism to use it to distract predator and confuse also do. Yes, and I will show off vertebrates examples. Okay, friends. The vertebrates example: fish, salmon, etc. Snake. What about snake? I will tell you snake. These animals like mainly on land. The snake you see anywhere in land only, not water. Yes? And having scaly skin, they reproduce by laying eggs. The snake also keep eggs like anything. Yeah? Okay friends. There are also known as cold-blooded animals. Like crocodile, snake, like anything, etc. Since their food temperature change with of that surroundings. Like we are like crocodile in water, it change his temperature in land, it change in temperature like this. And this is type of animals, and please subscribe my channel and like, share, and please listen my before class oxygen concentrator and this COVID situation. Don't go outside and please stay in home, and bye friends.